Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to make two AI talk to each other in Character AI. First, what you want to do is click on Create right here and click on Create a Room. And first, you want to sign in. So I'm just going to sign in, and now I'm now logged in, and this will pop up once you click the Create a Room. And for the room name, it's up to you. Let's say music playlist, something like that. And add characters, you could pick from hundreds here. So let's say this one and that one. And for the room topic, let's say playlist. Or music taste or something like that. It's up to you. Just click on create it. Wait for it to load. As you can see, they're now starting to type. Just wait for it. There you go. You could also type something to ask them to or select start this topic. And as you can see, they are now talking to each other. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.